Taking you back to the big story this morning, in an exclusive report, months after Ajit Pawar resigned as the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra over the irrigation scam, a white paper on irrigation projects has given a clean chit to Ajit Pawar. The paper justifies all expenses incurred on irrigation projects across Maharashtra.
Two months after Ajit Pawar resigned from the post of Deputy CM of Maharashtra on grounds of propriety.
उपमुख्यमंत्री पद व मंत्री पदावरून मुक्त होण्याचा निर्णय घेतलेला आहे. माझ्या भूमिकेला पक्षश्रेष्ठींनी संमती मिळालेली म्हणून मी पदाचा राजीनामा मुख्यमंत्र्यांकडे पाठवलेला आहे.
The white paper on irrigation scam giving him a clean chit, justifying all cost escalations in the project. Times now gets you details of white paper on the multi-crore irrigation scam even before it's submitted in the state cabinet today. The white paper claims that there has been massive growth of 28% in irrigated land in Maharashtra, contradicting an audit report which in fact stated that the increase in irrigated land is 0.01. Predictably, the paper gives a clean chit to the Water Resources Ministry and justifies all the expenses incurred on irrigation projects in Maharashtra in the last 10 years. The white paper also claims that cost escalation in every project has been approved by the Central Water Commission and Planning Commission. But the whistleblowers and activists who have fought for years to bring the scam to light, urging the authorities to see beyond political compulsions.
कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स और कुछ नेता डिपार्टमेंट चलाते हैं और डिपार्टमेंट एक गलत दिशा में काम कर रहा है. जनता का पैसा गलत तरीके से इस्तेमाल हो रहा है.
While uncertainty mounts on whether the cabinet will accept the white paper and release it to the public, clean chit to Ajit Pawar is expected to kick off a massive storm in the Maharashtra politics. Bureau Report, Times Now.
And Megha Prasad now joins me live. Megha, there are several contradictions in this report. It contradicts all previous reports. How is this being taken?
Well, Nupur, this particular report is bound to kick up a political controversy in the state. It already has, because the details of this particular white paper are already out. The main points, of course, being that the figures that this report is giving is completely contradictory in nature to the figures that have come out in the past in connection with several reports that had been tabled or put forth according to this particular scam, the irrigation scam. At this moment, we can go live to our reporters. Polemi, who's joining me from outside the residence of Mr. Sunil Tatkare, the current Water Resource Minister, and Mayank, who's joining me from outside Mantralay, that is very close to the NCP office, which is where Mr. Ajit Pawar is at this moment. Mayank, coming first to you. You've been tracking Mr. Pawar since today in the morning. You were at his residence. Have you heard anything from him? Is he talking to the media? Will he be making any sort of statement today?
Megha, when we tried to call Ajit Pawar and tried to speak to him, he declined to comment. When we met him at the NCP office, where he reached at around 7:30 in the morning as per his pre-scheduled meeting with the party workers, he declined to comment there also. What we are getting from the NCP sources is Ajit Pawar is likely to leave for Pune at around 2 p.m. As per his pre-scheduled meetings here in Mumbai will get over, he will straight away proceed to Pune for the other meetings in Pune.
Mayank, stay with us. Polemi, if you could hear me, you are there at the residence of Mr. Sunil Tatkare, and he's the main person today because he's the one who's going to present this report in the cabinet in the evening. Any word from him, any sort of justification, any statement about the details that have now come out, which is a part of this white paper?
Well, we are still waiting to hear from Sunil Tatkare, the Water Resources Minister of the state. As of now, he's at his residence. He's likely to hold a meeting at about 11 a.m. this morning. Later on, his schedule doesn't say much because he's scheduled to go straight away from his residence towards Sayadri, where the cabinet meeting will be held at 6 p.m. this evening. That is where he will be presenting that report, that white paper, in fact, which will be discussed by the state cabinet. They will obviously take it up. This is a report that he has prepared, his department has prepared, which is expected to give a clean chit to the former Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Ajit Pawar.